Hi, kindergarten. Let's talk math. So today we're going to work on lesson 7, subtract to take apart 10. So that means we are going to start with 10 and we are going to use subtraction tools to show taking it apart. So let's go to the first thing. How about a warm-up question, a problem of the day? All right, so the problem of the day says take away 3 hats. Draw an X on each hat that you take away. So let's start with that. Take away 3 hats. Draw an X on each hat you take away. 1, 2, 3. Write the numbers. So how many did I take away? 3. So I write that number here. 5 minus 3 is, how many are left? 1, 2. So that's our problem of the day. Take away 3 hats. 5 minus 3 hats equals 1, 2 hats. Now, how can you take apart 10 by subtracting? How can you take apart 10 by subtracting? Well, let's start with something over here. We can do a little movement around with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do them like a 10 frame. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you tell me one way to take apart 10 by subtracting? Let's see. I'm going to do one way, but I bet you there are others. So let's say we're going to start with, we have 10, we know that. So I'm going to write my number 10. And we're subtracting, so I'm going to put my minus sign. All right, so I'm going to cross out some of them. Okay. How many did I cross out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So how many do I have left if I took 5 away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay, what's another way? How about 10 minus, how many did I X out? 2 equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Is there another way? How about that? 10 minus, how many did I X out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 7 equals, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So there's lots of different ways to take apart 10 by subtracting, and we're going to practice some of them today. So let's move on to the first page. Explore and explain. So there's a net. Let's see what the question is. Use the red counters. Okay, so you of course don't have the red counters, so you're going to draw, but it says taking away from 10. There are 10 players. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to trace the number 10 and the minus sign. Now, 4 players leave. Okay, so I'm going to cross those out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to write that number because that's how many leave. 4 players leave. Trace the equal sign. Okay, and now it says 10 minus 4 equals what? Well, we count up how many are not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So remember, when you're doing the front page, there are 10 players to start. So you're going to draw 10 and then 4 players leave. Okay, so now let's go on to the next page. Now, this is the See and Show page. This is the second page of your packet. This is where you are going to be doing some practice. Now, the first problem is always done for you as an example. So we are going to go through that problem right now and trace over. So use counters to model taking away from 10. So we have the 10 over here. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like we wrote there. Okay. Trace the minus sign. 10 minus, how many are x'd out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 8 equals, how many balls are left? 1, 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. So now you are going to do that for number 1, and then you are also going to go on to number 2. See, this one doesn't have the number already dotted there. So what do you do for number 2? It's 10. You know there's 10 balls there. Trace the minus sign. Count how many balls are crossed out. Trace the equal sign. Count how many balls are left. And do that for number 3 also. And then you'll turn the page to On My Own. And for On My Own, now you know what to do. You know what to do here. You know there are 10 footballs to begin with because we're always starting with 10. Always starting with 10. So 10 minus, how many are x'd out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 minus 9 equals, I'm tracing that equal sign. How many left? Just 1. 10 minus 9 equals 1. So you will do that for all 3 of the problems on the On My Own page. Then on the last page, you'll turn it over and you'll see the problem solving. There's some lacrosse sticks on a field. And let's read what the question is. All right, I'm going to use the counters. You are going to draw. There are 10 lacrosse sticks. Only 6 players showed up to play. Okay, so draw an X on 6 of the sticks. All right, I'm going to trace over the minus sign. Draw an X on 6 of the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write a 6 here because that's how many I'm taking away. Trace the equal sign. How many lacrosse sticks are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lacrosse sticks left. I know I kind of did a messy equal sign there, but it's hard to write on this computer screen, but you do the best you can. So we had 10 lacrosse sticks minus 6 sticks equals 4 sticks left over. So this is what you are going to do in your packet today for lesson 7. All right? Happy math. I'll see you soon.